This is the video for number 6 from the Chapter 3 quiz review. The graph of y is equal to the square root of x has been flipped over, it has been flipped over the y-axis. It's been stretched vertically by a factor of 4, and it's shifted down 2. It says, write the equation that would produce this transformation. So we know that our parent graph was y is equal to the square root of x. Okay, so if we said that it was flipped over the y-axis, right, that's a horizontal flip. We said it was stretched vertically by a factor of 4 and then shifted down 2. Okay, so this one's going to affect our a value, right? And then it's shifted down 2. We know that that's going to affect our k value. Our horizontal flip we know is going to impact our x on the inside. So as we go through and try to rewrite out our new function, we're going to have y is equal to, okay, so a we know is going to have to be 4 because it's vertically stretched by that factor. And then we're going to take times the square root. And if I want to horizontally flip it, remember we have to take our x and make it negative. And then to shift it down 2, we'll say minus 2 on the outside. So what we're looking at is this equation here. Now, if this was on the calculator part, then you could always check it. You could say, all right, let's get out our calculator. All right, and then we had y equals the square root of x. So sorry, I'm just clearing these out as we're doing it. But we have the square root of x. And then our answer we just had was 4 times the square root of negative x minus 2. Right, that was minus 2. Sorry, I had to check it real quick. All right, so if we graph those, okay, so you'll see here the yellow one is our original. And then our green one is the one that has been horizontally flipped, right? So it's been kind of reflected across the y-axis. And it says that it's been stretched by a factor of 4. So see how it's growing much faster from a vertical level. And then you'll see that our endpoint down here, instead of being at 0, 0 like on our other graph, our endpoint has been shifted down to negative 2. So it makes sense with everything that it says that it's done. So our answer for this one is correct. If you have additional questions on this, please make sure you reach out to me.